Okay, let's talk about some basics of NLP that everyone should know. Okay, so first let's talk about the token. Okay, so token is the fundamental unit which resulting from the process of tokenization. Okay, so tokenization. So the question here is now is what is tokenization? Okay, if we see in context of NLP, tokenization involves breaking down our text into smaller units, which can be words, phrases, okay, or even visual characters. Okay, for example, if we take a sentence like NLP is amazing. Okay, if I say what is the token of it, so the token is the each word. NLP is amazing. Okay, so each word is token here. Okay, in this, each word is token. So I think now you have a fair idea about the token. So token is the word and tokenization is the process when someone is asked you. Okay, so the second is document. So what is document? In NLP, our document is typically a piece of text, I can say. Piece of text, which could be arranged from a single sentence to the entire article. Okay, so it is the unit of analysis. Here the goal is to understand the structure contained within a document. Okay, so if I am taking one here, like NLP is amazing. Okay, the second document is NLP is not amazing. Okay, third is I don't know about NLP. So these are the three documents. Okay, so here we have the three documents. Okay, if I want to tokenize it, what I do is the NLP is amazing. NLP is not amazing. These are the different tokens. NLP is not amazing. I don't know the NLP. Okay, so next is the corpus. CORPUS. What is corpus? Is the collection of documents. Collection of documents. Okay, so the corpus token would include all the unique tokens found in the both document. Okay, okay. So now why we need a tokenization? Why we need a tokenization? Okay, so tokenization first of all is a crucial step in NLP, as it transforms the human language into a format that machine can understand and process. Okay, you know, like our computer is all over on the binary. It understands only the 0 and 1. So here what we are task is we are changing into a binary vector. Okay, the format the computer is understand. So it forms the basis for the various NLP tasks, such as we have the text analysis. Okay, then we have a sentiment analysis where we are finding the emotion behind it. Okay. Then we have the machine learning, machine translation. Okay. So I can say tokens, document, corpus, tokenization are essential concept in NLP. It's helping us to breaking down and analyze the text data at different level of our work. Okay. Thank you.